Hello friends. Today I am going to show 5 best budget 4K camera drone on 2022 through extensive research and testing. I have put together a list of options that will meet needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description and out like the video. Comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 5. DJI Spark Portable Mini Quadcopter Drone. Meet Spark, a mini drone that features all of DJI's signature technologies, allowing you to seize the moment whenever you feel inspired. With intelligent flight control options, a mechanical gimbal, and a camera with incredible image quality, Spark empowers you to push your creative boundaries. Quick launch with Face Aware. Spark lifts off from your hand by recognizing your face. It takes off and hovers in place within seconds of powering on. Simple control. Take amazing aerial photos using just hand gestures, without a remote controller or mobile device. Create with ease. Intelligent flight modes and intuitive controls help you create cinematic aerial videos with just a few taps. Edit and share. The DJI Go 4 app features automatic editing templates and an array of filters. Quickly edit videos and share them straight to social media. Number 4. Skydio R1. The Skydio R1 self-flying 4K camera smart drone, the world's most advanced autonomous device. Skydio R1 is the easiest and most fun camera you will ever use. Running, biking, playing in the park, no matter what your adventure is, you can trust R1 to capture all the action in dynamic 4K video that you can share directly from your mobile device. The Skydio Autonomy Engine sees the world through R1's 13 cameras, giving it the ability to map and understand its environment, while autonomously capturing Hollywood-style footage. R1 positions itself for every shot by understanding where people are in the scene and anticipating where they will be, up to 4 seconds into the future. Powered by NVIDIA Tegra, a powerful AI supercomputer, R1 is able to make intelligent decisions while navigating complex environments. Launching R1 is as easy as swiping up in the Skydio app, or tapping your Apple Watch. Simply choose a subject to track in the app on your phone or Apple Watch, and R1 will do the rest, getting amazing shots while flying around any obstacle. Number 3. Parrot PF72800 ANAFI Drone. Foldable quadcopter drone with 4K HDR camera. This drone, with a camera equipped with f/2.4 wide-angle ASBH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom, captures spectacular 4K videos, Full HD or 2.7K videos, 2704 by 1520. And 21MP photos without loss of quality. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. The ANAFI Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the Power Delivery USB Type-C charger. Operating temperature range: -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees C, with its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, 320 G. Number 2. Holy Stone HS200 FPV RC Drone. HD FPV 720p camera, high-quality video transmitting, display and pictures taking to your iPhone or Android phone device, altitude hold function. The drone will keep hovering at the current height once the throttle was released. It is convenient to shoot quality images or videos with FPV camera mobile app control and force-speed adjustable. Control the drone with a smartphone app to activate multiple functions such as gravity sensor mode, which allows the user to control the flight by holding and moving the smartphone accordingly. Force speeds mode from low to high, suit for beginners and experts. 1 key return home, avoid loss of drone. 1 button takeoff/landing to remote control the drone easily. The headless mode eliminates distinguish of drone's direction, the direction will be the same as your transmitter. Help beginners to prevent from losing the direction. For speed adjustment, 4 speed modes from low to high suitable for beginners and experts. Equipped with LED navigation lights and remote control indicator light for night flight. Number 1. Parrot Bebop 2 Drone. Meet Bebop 2, a second-generation Parrot quadcopter drone. First in its weight class to surpass 20 minutes of autonomous flight time, this sleek and durable drone doesn't just travel far, it travels well. The 3-axis digital stabilization offers pilots a fixed angle of the view, regardless of altitude or turbulence. The 14MP 1080p camera captures the moment via live streaming video or recorded clips. Take in the horizon with a stunning 186 degrees field of view and keep track of your location with the new, powerful rear flash LED. Fly for up to 25 minutes at speeds of up to 38 mph. Stream footage from your Bebop 2 in real time on your smartphone or tablet. Feel like changing up your view? Adjust the camera's angle with the single swipe of your finger. Bebop 2 is easy to fly using the free Flight 3 piloting app on your smartphone or tablet, which is available for free download in the Apple App Store and Google Play. Once downloaded, you can take off and land with the touch of a button, and practice your flips and tricks mid-flight.